Today's video is regarding Canon Pixma MG3660 printer. I'm going to show you how to do the quick unboxing and setup. Let's start with the unboxing. Next thing is to switch on the printer, so press the power button and we have to install the SetUp ink cartridges. So we get two ink cartridges, one is black 240 and 241 color ink cartridge. Now I'm going to show you how to install the SetUp ink cartridges. Open the front door and this door. So this is the ink cartridge chamber door here, and you will see there are locks here, so you have to press this lock down both sides. Install the ink cartridge one by one. So place it here and push the lock up, and do it for the black as well. So once it goes in, push the lock up. Now close the ink cartridge chamber door. Now I'm going to show you how to load the paper. So open the front door again, and this is the paper tray at the bottom, so simply place the pages here. So we have finished the setup of the printer. Next thing is to use it for copy. To do a copy, open the top scanner lid, place a page facing downwards like this, and go to the control panel, select color or black from here, and it will start the copy. If you want, you can do the wireless scanning and printing. For that you can do the Wi-Fi setup of the printer, so it can connect to the Wi-Fi network. Overall, it's a good printer for home or office use. Thanks for watching.